Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about how to increase sales quickly. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. How to increase sales quickly, simple strategies that you can use to create a profitable business. The road to increased profits is fraught with danger, and it is especially risky to try to sell the same products or services to customers at every turn, without knowing how to increase sales quickly. One simple secret to increase sales is to learn what things your customers need to succeed in your business so that you can provide them. You may be wondering how to increase sales quickly, but how about how to increase sales quickly without having to change your entire operation? Learn how to increase sales quickly by following the example of someone who is successful, and you could learn a lot from it. It might even make you a little bit smarter. One thing that the company Nike uses to increase its customer base is to give out free stuff. They will give away books that they can buy for 70 cents at any bookstore. A new pair of shoes can also be given away if you are in a store. If you have been in the shoe business for some time, you know that customers love new shoes and it increases sales. This might seem very simple and common sense, but that is the reason why many companies don't do this. The other secret to increasing sales quickly is to have a certain type of product that you know is in demand. When you first heard of the type of shoes that you should have in stock and out of stock, you already know the demand. Knowing your customers' needs also makes your business stand out. This brings us to a great example of how to increase sales quickly. Walmart knows that they need to have a lot of their clothing in stock so that they are able to restock when they are out of stock. Many people may think that Walmart is taking advantage of their customers, but the fact is that Walmart makes sure that they keep their customers happy by giving them the clothes that they need. You can learn a lot about the type of customers that you want to be in your business by simply taking small steps and just understanding the requirements of your customers. By doing this, you will find yourself becoming very familiar with the needs of your customers. For instance, if you want to learn how to increase sales quickly, you should think about the needs of your customers. If you know that your customers are more likely to walk through the doors of a business with the money that they have in their pockets, then you know that you need to put signs on the doors that let customers know that they can get money in their pocket. If you decide to put a big sign on the doors that will tell the customer, "Give me cash," you should consider other things as well. Perhaps a small newspaper advertisement that says "Give me cash today" would be better. Once you know that there are different types of clients that your business is trying to attract, you can begin to learn the types of services that you want to offer your customers. You can't go around hiring a bunch of people for different types of tasks just because you believe that you know them so well. If you think about it, hiring someone to give your customers a bottle of water would not make you money. If you use the same service and spend the same amount of money, you might lose the customer. There are a few simple things that you can do that will increase your profits and improve your business for years to come. If you can take one thing from this article, it is this: learn what your customers need to be happy with your business. How to increase sales quickly through marketing home business. Anyone who wants to make a living with a home business should understand how to increase sales quickly. To do this, you need to understand the marketplace and what drives people to purchase in the way that they do. You must have knowledge about consumer habits and needs and be able to forecast trends. The fact of the matter is that the internet has led to rapid growth and competition in almost every industry and market. This makes it necessary for any home business owner to expand quickly to stay in the game. Many people overlook how to make sure that they have been successful at expanding. It's quite easy to be a successful home business owner when you have a solid business plan and know your business well. You also need to keep abreast of the trends and follow up on them. You can find a lot of information about home business marketing that will give you an advantage over your competitors. The biggest mistake people make when they want to increase sales is that they take the wrong direction. Instead of learning about how to increase sales quickly, they make decisions based on emotion instead of logical thinking. They start a project and then find themselves not doing anything or making a poor decision. A great home business idea is the production of gifts. This is a good business to pursue if you are someone who likes working with your hands and is talented in the crafts that you use. The craft industry has always enjoyed a steady stream of new customers. In today's economy, it's even more critical to understand how to make a living when you are able to work from home. The great news is that there are many people out there who are eager to purchase gift items. In fact, some of them are prepared to pay a higher price than is necessary for the good value that they get. There are also many people out there who are interested in starting a home business that focuses on products such as these. They are looking for a way to increase their own income. As a result, it's important to take your home business venture into a new realm by making things that people love and helping others to do the same. One thing that most people like to buy are items that are not meant to be kept for long periods of time so that they can enjoy them as soon as possible. When people look for these types of products, they tend to prefer to shop online. It makes sense when you realize that these are goods that are delivered to the customer immediately and that they don't have to spend the time or effort to go to the store and wait in line. So why do people want to shop online? Because they have found other online stores that carry a large inventory of high-quality products that are priced at a competitive rate. These customers are not willing to pay a high price for high-quality products that come from mediocre sources. You can easily take advantage of this type of phenomenon by creating a home business where you create and sell a wide variety of products. What's more, you can take care of all of the details related to inventory and shipping yourself. The good news is that this will enable you to generate income from items that would be difficult or impossible to deliver otherwise. It's quite easy to become motivated to take action when you see all of the people who are enjoying their business and adding money to their personal bank accounts each month. It's also important to build relationships with your customers and their referrals. You will find that they will tell their friends and family about your business. If you focus on what is necessary to create an income that is lucrative, you can learn how to increase sales quickly. When you look at the situation from a customer's point of view, you will find that there is a good deal of satisfaction in using a product that you have created, because they were happy with the results they got with the product that they purchased. Increase sales quickly using the new generation of marketing tools. Increasing sales has never been so easy with the new generation of internet marketing tools. A few years ago, there was little to no hope in marketing for your company, especially if you didn't have a product. But today, the old conventional ways of marketing are mostly extinct. There are various methods to maximize revenue on the internet. All of them are effective and work. The question is how to use these methods and products effectively to get you an income from the internet. One thing to understand about affiliate marketing is that it works best for small businesses with limited product lines such as personal sales pages. People shop on impulse, so affiliate programs do well when people are willing to buy on the impulse. But if you have a wide array of products, your customers might be turned off. It is imperative that you optimize your website for general search terms. This will not only help your site rank better in the search engines but also help to improve your rankings in search engine optimization (SEO) pages. This is critical because they determine your ranking in organic search results. Pay-per-click (PPC) advertising can be a good way to get started, and you could also use simple easing ads to drive traffic to your site. But for the more profitable way of increasing your revenue, it is imperative that you optimize your website and make it user-friendly for visitors. Use white spaces and eye-catching images to make your site look different and attract the attention of your potential clients. Websites that generate free traffic can be great. They are more likely to convert into business. But before you invest your time in generating free traffic, be sure that you have a product that you can sell to those people. Social media sites like Facebook and Twitter can be good avenues to promote your products and services. Just make sure that you are getting the most from your efforts and that you are providing valuable information that will be of value to your potential clients. If possible, include testimonials or contact information so that potential customers can reach you. Online marketing campaigns can be used to generate leads and retain customers. You can also find useful tools and resources to help you create a compelling website that will increase sales. You can generate leads by joining online forums, blogging, and creating informative articles. You can increase your brand awareness and get targeted customers by adding products and services to your website. Products and services are the keys to generating a lot of business. Use e-courses and videos to let customers know about your services and products. Create a list of potential customers and go after them. Pick the things that people want to learn about and create useful ebooks or audio lessons that will teach them how to use your products. Build your list and target them. If you haven't tried the sales process yet, then you will need to start now. There are several ways that you can increase your sales. So use them. You need the right tools to do the right sales. Choose wisely. Thanks for watching my video about how to increase sales quickly. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.